Hello guys! We are now here sa Gardens by the Bay. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Golden Garden. And so we are going to explore this area guys and check natin kung ano yung pwede natin makita dito sa loob. And mamaya pupunta tayo sa may Cloud Forest, Flower Dome. Kasi meron tayong ticket na binili sa Klook. Siyempre, instant discount. Alam nyo na may promo code Mark Paragas Klook. Ayan. Before we head to the Cloud Forest, check muna natin. And actually guys, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. Dumating tayo sa accommodation natin around 12 noon, tapos nakaidlip tayo. So magla-lunch muna tayo guys. I need something to eat para may energy tayo to explore this area. Alright, so pakita ko sa inyo kung ano meron dito. So dito merong Starbucks and McDonald's. Siguro ano lang. Actually sabi ko pa naman na huwag mag-try ng mga fast food, pero gutom na ako guys. Ano lang, konti lang. Sige, excuses. Check natin kung anong pwede natin makain. Ito actually pwede na to for only $6. May Max Spicy Meal. Meron na siyang Sprite and French fries.
A few moments later.
Kakatapos lang natin guys merienda. So actually, natatawa ako kasi palagi ko sinasabi na kapag pupunta kayo sa ibang bansa, as much as possible, huwag kayong kakain sa mga fast food chains or fast food restaurant. Kasi nga, mas try dapat yung mga authentic food. Kaso gutom na talaga ako. So merienda pa lang yun. Ang last na kain pa natin guys sa Pugs, kaninang madaling araw, like mga 1 AM. So anyway, let's head to the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome kasi may ticket nga tayo doon na kinuha from Klook. And guys, pag may nakita na kayong ganito, yan na yun, Flower Dome tapos Cloud Forest. Check lang natin kung saan yung pwedeng magpapalit ng ticket. Ayun, Cloud Forest. I just have a question. What if I have a Klook ticket for Flower Dome? This will proceed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, if you have ticket already, just show your voucher just sa mga entrance, and then ito bubukan sa inyo. Open Sesame. Oh, wow. So nandito tayo. Meron pala siyang cloud walk, treetop walk. Pwede tayong umakyat. Ayan, ayun sila, nasa taas. So ito guys yung tinatawag na the falls. It looks like a waterfall. Ayan medyo yung tubig. Since we are here guys, let me just give you details na lang kapag kukuha kayo ng ticket na to sa Klook, para naman aware kayo sa mga optional, sa mga hours of operation. So bali ang Cloud Forest guys is open from Monday to Sunday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Ang last admission dito guys ay 8:30 p.m. And by the way guys, make sure na bago kayo mag-book doon sa specific date na gusto niyo, you need to be aware about the closure dates ng mga attractions here. Gardens by the Bay, ipa-flash ko na lang dito guys yung mga nakuha kong closure dates para naman aware kayo, para pag pupunta kayo dito, alam nyo kung open or hindi. And again, you don't need to print your ticket. Just present the QR code, yung pinaka-voucher sa entrance, then you're free to go. Actually, yung kinuha kong ticket sa Klook guys is combination ng Flower Dome, Cloud Forest, tapos meron pang isa. I forgot, I'll just put it here. Then, you can use my promo code for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. Uy, in fairness malamig dito. Tapos, yung best time to go here is morning hanggang afternoon guys. Kasi yung liwanag sa labas is ayan o, kitang-kita. Huwag kayo pupunta ng mga gabi dito, siguro baka hindi na maganda yung pictures. Mas maganda kasi may natural light na pumapasok. Walking tour tayo. Do I need a ticket to go here? No need? Okay, thank you. Okay tayo guys. You have the options na mag-take ng elevator or you can walk the stairs. Eh di ba kumain tayo? Since nagmerienda tayo ng fast food, ayan, let's walk the stairs. Look at this guys. Kita mo na yung view ng ang tawag dyan ng Marina Bay Sands, and then ano tawag dito? Oh my god, I forgot. Anyway, pupunta tayo dyan. Ganda ng view dito. Guys, look.
We thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
Ang ganda. Guys, hindi siya kita dito sa pag tinitignan nyo. Pero here, sa camera, ang ganda ng effect. I guess guys, this cloud forest is magugustuhan ng mga plantito at plantita. Basta mahilig kayo sa mga flowers and plants, sobrang dami. Siyempre hindi natin iisa-isa, pero sobrang dami. Alright guys, so that's the end of our cloud forest adventure. Maganda naman, malamig, magugustuhan ng mga nanay nyo. Alright, so next guys is the flower dome. Siyempre hindi pwedeng walang souvenir shops. Let's go up. Kasi di ba nandun sa taas, doon tayo galing. Nandun yung flower dome entrance. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. So we are now heading the flower dome. And nandito rin pala guys yung Monet exhibition. Oh my god. This is nice. I think guys, itong flower dome is more on flower. Tapos yung cloud forest is really more on forest type. Mga puno, mga halaman. O nga naman. By the name itself, kaloka.
you can catch me. I'm spinning through the air, laughing wild, just like a child, and knowing we don't care. And when the storm is raging all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the rain. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Just that you are enough. Know that you are made of love. Shine bright, because in time all the good things will be awesome. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. Shadows on the sand and ice cream melting in my hand. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching, love until my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have. 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 Ooh, look at all the good things.
Alright guys, so I think we are done here. So bali ang napuntahan natin guys is Cloud Forest plus Flower Dome and then exhibition of Monet. So ito, more on flowers. And then sa loob guys, yung parang digital experience ng impressions of Monet. Ganda sa loob. So yun lang. Yun lang, bitin. Share ko na lang din na nakuha ko tong ticket na to, yung tatlong yon, ng 2,600. And syempre magbibigay tayo ng review. Maganda siya, pang plantito at plantita. Sabi ko nga, baka magustuhan ng mga bata, magustuhan ng mga matatanda. Pero for me, mahilig naman ako sa mga flowers, mahilig ako sa mga halaman. Pero it's more on view, picture taking. In short, sakto lang. Pero at least we've tried and na-experience natin. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung virtual tour. Just in case na magustuhan nyo, punta kayo dito kasi iba pa rin yung experience kapag nakita nyo mismo in person, di ba? Compare dito sa video natin. Pero ayun, kapag nakapunta kayo sa isang attractions, that will be the first and last. Thank you! Kasi hindi nyo na siya babalikan. Parang ganun. Yung parang enough na siya for one try, one experience, or once. Meron pa tayong itatry guys, yung OCBC Skyway, yung mga Super Tree Grove. Maglalakad tayo sa pinakataas. Wala akong ticket na nabili doon kasi yung ticket na binibenta sa Klook is more on combo ng Cloud Forest and then ng Flower Dome. Pero kung gusto nyo mag OCBC Skyway, wala siyang separate unless pupunta talaga kayo sa website nila ng Gardens by the Bay. So yun ang check natin, pupuntahan natin yun, then check natin kung magkano and kung ano yung view na makikita natin. Ayan, yung OCBC Skyway na yan. Sundan nyo lang yung signs, hindi naman kayo maliligaw dito. Ito guys, letter A, OCBC Skyway. Ito siya, nandito tayo. Tapos ito. So And guys, if ever pagod na kayo, meron ditong shuttle. Hindi yan libre Bayfront, Cloud Forest, pupunta ng mga ganon for $3. So, hanapin natin yung way going to the OCBC Skyway. Yun yung last stop natin guys. O diba? May vlog agad. Sana maganda yung experience para makabawi. Pero yun guys, sorry pero hindi ako na wow. Well, that's my personal experience and opinion. Punta pa rin kayo, try nyo pa rin. Syempre, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa mga halaman, mga flowers, and then more on picture. And nagkataon lang siguro talaga guys na wala akong kasama. Wala magpipicture sa akin, kaya siguro grabe no. So anyway, we're here sa Super 3 Grove. Ito guys ang Super 3 Grove. Nakikita nyo yan. Yan yung OCBC Skyway. Check natin kung makakapunta tayo dyan. Kasi for sure maganda yung view. And this is the Manila Basin. Excuse me, where can I purchase the ticket for Sky? This one? Okay. And guys, if you want to purchase and try the OCBC Skyway, and it's up to you if you want to do both. This one, Skyway and Observatory. So 14. So if you want to experience yung Skyway, like maglalakad kayo, that's $14. And meron din silang Super 3 Observatory guys dun sa tuktok for $14. Go-compute. Magko-convert tayo guys kasi wala siya sa plano, di ba? I mean, nasa plano siya pero wala pa tayong ticket. So kailangan natin malaman kung magkano talaga conversion. So $14. So that's 600 pesos each. Pero sige, itatry natin yung Skyway. Okay? Sige. I'll try the OCBC Skyway.
It says go to range 2, so I advise you go for the Skyway immediately, alright?
Oh, okay.
So this one?
Yeah.
Alright, that'll be $14. Do you like how to pay?
Cash. The Super 3 Observatory, is it outdoor?
Yes, it's outdoor, but there's a cafe inside, but it's closed today for maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And guys, we purchased a ticket and that's $14 per head. And mabait si Kuya, sabi niya akit na daw agad ako kasi baka umulan. And by the way, yung Super 3 Observatory pala is under maintenance. I think just for today. Sky.
Level 2.
Level 2.
Exit on the other end.
Thank you. We're gonna take the lift, level 2, and then exit on the other side. We would appreciate if you could keep your experiences to 15 minutes so others can have a chance to enjoy the attraction. So ano gagawin natin? Maglalakad tayo back and forth. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes hanggang exit. Hi guys, ang ganda dito. Is it allowed to go back and forth? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, thank you. Yan, lakarin natin guys hanggang dulo. Tapos balik tayo with matching naman. Kita ako syempre. Wala na nga akong photographer eh. Ganda guys dito. If you have fear of heights, I will not recommend this or suggest to get this one. Kasi malulula kayo. Okay, so ito na yung end. Dito na rin tayo mag-exit, but we're gonna have another walk going back.
Go ahead.
And then you can see the right how we're headed the most is
Ganda dito guys. Ganda yung view. So this is $14. That's around 600 pesos for this experience. Meron siya sa Klook guys, pero parang ang combination niya is Cloud Forest plus OCBC Skyway. Pero kung yung mismong OCBC Skyway lang kukunin nyo, well, dito na lang kayo bumili. $14. Di ba ang ganda? Itong panalo. Gusto ko ng mga ano talaga, view. So by the way guys, since maganda yung view natin, recap lang tayo. So that's really it actually. Yung ating experience sa Flower Dome, Cloud Forest, and then Monet Exhibition, plus the OCBC Skyway experience. And as you can see, ito yung finale natin guys. And the view is so amazing. Partida, wala pa tayo sa tuktok ng tuktok ng Marina Bay Sands. For the experience guys, yung Flower Dome and Cloud Forest, maganda naman actually. Maganda talaga siya for Instagram. Ayan, for picture taking. And since wala nga akong kasama, ang hirap mag-picture kasi maraming tao. Ang hirap i-set up pa nitong tripod ko just to get a picture, diba? So video na lang tayo, post na lang tayo ganito para may pang thumbnail tayo. And then, ayun, may pang TikTok. And if you are going to try yung tatlong yun guys, siguro kaya na siya ng mga 1 to 2 hours to explore the area. And then itong OCBC Skyway sobrang lapit lang, as in konting lakad lang. Ito yung finale natin guys. And actually ito lang ha, napakasimple, pero ito yung mga gusto ko, yung view. At least diba, ito yung pang finale natin. And nakabawi naman. Currently, it is 5:30 PM. Supposedly, meron pa tayong pupuntahan na isa pang attractions dito. Within the area lang din naman. Kaso, wala pa kasi tayong tulog masyado, diba? I've decided na sa ibang araw na lang. Which is, okay, kaya pa naman. Kaya pa naman siyang ilagay sa ibang araw. So at least, ito yung ating pangalawang vlog for our Singapore travel. And syempre, marami pa. Pagkakasyahin natin guys. Limited days lang tayo dito. Limited time lang meron tayo dito. But, ako pa ba? Ako pa ba? Picture ko po kayo lahat. Gusto niyo?
Thank you po.
Saan background?
Dito lang po. Are you from Manila?
Opo.
Solo travel.
Solo.
From Bacolod.
Hindi naman.
Thank you.
Or po. Medyo basa na tayo ng pawis guys. Maliligo tayo ng bonggang-bongga mamaya. And by the way magkakaroon tayo ng vlog. Syempre, pag may pinag-stayan tayong hotel, we will have wait, check natin yung mga bagets. Ayan. So magkaroon tayo ng hotel tour and room tour syempre, and also the breakfast buffet experience. Alright, so let's go down. Ikutin natin.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile. We came a long way.
By the way guys, kapag naabutan kayo ng gutom, may mga nakikita kong parang food court dito. Maraming kainan. Tapos may pwede pa kayong umakyat dyan para mas makita nyo yung view nito. Yan ang gagawin natin.
Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got Can't be wasting my time. You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep
So by the way guys, itong gardens by the way, sobrang lawak. Marami kayong pwedeng magawa dito. And did you know na parang possible you can spend like whole day to explore this area. Plus kasama nila yung mga kain, pahinga. Hindi akong pagiging exag or hindi sa pagiging OA. Pwede na kayo ditong buong araw. May mga attractions, merong mga area, pwede kayong magpahinga, pwede kayong kumain. Hindi ko alam kung saan natin pupunta. Na-explore lang natin to.
look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got
Yan pa lang yan guys pero mas maganda yan syempre sa gabi kasi talagang yung lights is na-emphasize. Parang alayo na ng nilakad natin guys. So dito pala guys, meron ng Bayfront MRT station. So siguro dito na tayo mamaya sasakay going back to our accommodation. Hanapin lang natin kung saan pinakamalapit.
वहाँ से आगे निकल जाएंगे.
A few moments later.
So I guess that's it guys for our Gardens by the Bay experience. Pero hindi naman natin nalibot lahat. And I hope na-enjoy nyo at makonsider nyo rin na pumunta dito kapag nandito kayo sa Singapore. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Baragas Official, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs po natin here in Singapore. And you can also follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook, and also TikTok. And I guess see you on my next Singapore travel vlog. Enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. Mama, chup chup.